Hello student, in this session we take a new point, a trigonometric ratio of some specific angles. Means from geometry you are already familiar with the construction of angle 30 degree, 45, 60 degree and 90 degree. In this session we will find the values of trigonometric ratio for these angles. So first I draw one table and all trigonometric value of given specific angles. So first I write here sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta and tan theta. These 6 trigonometric functions: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta and last tan theta. So first angle is 0 degree, second is 30 degree, third is 45 degree, fourth is 60 degree and last is 90 degree. So only these 5 angles we find here. We write here sin 0 degree. First we find sin 0 degree, sin 30 degree, sin 45 degree, sin 60 degree and sin 90 degree. So in this table first we start from 0 degree. Sin 0 is 0. Then sin 30 degrees 1 half. Sin 45 degrees 1 upon root 2. Sin 45 is 1 upon root 2. Sin 60 degrees root 3 upon 2. And last sin 90 degrees 1. So next we write here cos 0 degree, cos 30 degree, all angles of cos. So we write this in reverse order, that is this one we write here, this root 3 by 2 I write here, this 1 upon root 2 right here, this 1 by 2 right here and last 0 is right here. So we write this in reverse order. Next we write tan theta. Tan theta is, formula for tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta. Tan theta is equals to, we know this formula, tan theta is equals to sin theta upon cos theta. So tan theta is equals to sin theta upon cos theta. So we take division of sin and cos. So we divide these two. Division of sin upon cos is tan. We divide these two. 0 upon 1. 0 upon 1 is 0. So we write here 0. 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. Then 2 get cancelled. Then remaining term is 1 upon root 3. So we write here 1 upon root 3. Next, this root 2, denominator term, root 2 get cancelled. Then remaining term is 1 upon 1. 1 upon 1 is 1. Next, this 2 get cancelled. 2 get cancelled. Then root 3 upon 1. Root 3 upon 1 means root 3. And 1 upon 0. Here denominator is 0. And denominator is 0 is not defined. So here value is not defined. So this value tan 90 degrees not defined. Next we find cosec theta. Here cot theta is there. Sin cos tan, cosec sec cot. Next we find cosec theta. Cosec theta is a reciprocal of sin theta. Cosec theta is a reciprocal of sin theta. So we write cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. Cosec theta is equals to 1 upon sin theta. So we write reciprocal of sin theta here. Reciprocal of sin theta. So here we write reciprocal 1 upon 0. 1 upon 0. 1 upon 0 is not defined. So we write here not defined. Next 1 upon 1 by 2. That is, we write this 2 in numerator and 1 in denominator. So value is 2. This 1 upon 2. Here sin 45 is 1 upon 2. 1 upon root 2. So cosec theta is root 2. we take reciprocal of this. Next reciprocal of root 3 by 2 is 2 upon root 3. Reciprocal of 1 upon 1 is 1. Next is sec theta. Sec theta is a reciprocal of cos theta. This sec theta is a reciprocal of cos theta. So we write reciprocal of cos here. So 1 upon 1 is 1. So root 3 by 2, reciprocal of root 3 by 2 is 2 upon root 3. So here value is 2 upon root 3. Here reciprocal of 1 upon root 2 is root 2. Next 1 upon 2 is 2, and 0, 1 upon 0 is not defined. So here we write also in reverse order. Here not cosec 0 is not defined, cosec 30 is 2, cosec 45 is root 2, cosec 60 is 2 upon root 3, and cosec 90 is 1. So we write this reverse order also. Sec theta is equal to 1 we write here, 2 upon root 3 right here, root 2 right here, 2 right here, and not defined here. So next we write cot theta. Next we find cot theta. Cot theta we write reverse order of tan. We write cot theta is a reverse order of tan. So we write reverse order of tan is cot. So not defined is here, not defined. Next root 3 right here. Next 1 right here. Next 1 upon root 3 right here. And last 0 right here. So in this way we write table of 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So by using this table we solve some examples in exercise 8.2. So we solve here exercise 8.2. Question number first is evaluate the following. First, sin 60 degree into cos 30 degree plus sin 30 degree into cos 60 degree into cos 60 degree. So value of sin 60 degrees, sin 60 value of sin 60 is root 3 by 2. We write here root 3 upon 2 into cos 30, value of cos 30 is also root 3 upon 2. Here plus sign we write as it is. Sin 30 degrees 1 by 2 into cos 60 degree, cos 60 degrees 1 by 2. So we simplify this. Root 3 into root 3, 3, 2 into 2, 4, plus 1 into 1, 1, 2 into 2, 4. So denominator is same, so we write it here. 3 plus 1, 4, 4 upon 4, 1. So value of this sin 60 into cos 30 plus sin 30 into cos 60 is 1. Next example is two into tan square 45 plus cos square 30 minus sin square 60 degree. So this 2 we write as it is here. Tan square 45, tan 45, value of tan 45 is, by using this table, value of tan 45 is 1, but here tan square, so we take here square, plus cos square 30, value of cos 30 is root 3 upon 2, but here square, so we take this square here, minus sin square 60, sin square 60, sin 60 is root 3 upon 2, we take here square. 1 square is 1, 2 into 1, 2, plus root 3 square, here square root cancel, value is 3, and 2 square is 4, minus root 3 square is 3, 2 square is 4. So here plus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4 get cancelled, so answer is 2. Next, question number 3. Question number 3 is cos 45 degree divided by sec 30 degree plus cosec 30 degree. So cos 45 is 1 upon root 2 divided by sec 30 degrees 2 upon root 3 plus cosec 30 degree is 2. Cosec 30 degree is 2. Here denominator is 1, so we simplify this 1 upon root 2 as it is. So here we take here addition, 2 into 1 2 plus 2 into root 3 2 root 3 divided by root 3 into 1 root 3. So we take this denominator term in numerator, so we write root 3 in numerator divided by 2 plus 2 root 3. So when we simplify this, root 3 into 1 root 3 divided by root 2 into 2 plus 2 root 3. So in this way we solve given examples. So if you want to solve or simplify this, so you simplify this. Next example number